What's good, my people? I'm back again with another one. Just before I get into this, as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. So I've got the famous Panda dunks here. I was thinking everyone wears them with black laces. We need to change them up a bit and put some white laces in. So I'll be doing the changeover and then seeing if they look better or worse. I had the idea to kind of lace swap the Panda dunks because they're a bit too simple, plain, boring, whatever you want to call them. I've got a pair of white laces from a previous pair that I've swapped out for a different pair. So I just want to see how they look before I buy a proper new lace. So first things first, obviously we have to undo. And we can always keep the laces as well to swap out into another pair because, you know, these laces are quite nice. It's quite a decent pair. This lace is more of the plain Nike lace. I don't really like it that much. But again, like I said, before I swap them completely and buy new laces, I want to see how they look. I think in my head they'll look good, but we'll see. So the easiest way to do the bottom bit is always just insert, and then just grab it level, hold it like this, and then pull it through, and then let go, just guide it through kind of, so we can keep it level. Hopefully once it sorts itself out. There we go. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go under and through. I really hate when these laces twist around and stuff, man. But yeah, let's just twist that around, make it straight. Boom. So again, with the other lace, grab it right through, just twist it around a bit, sorted. Then again, we're gonna go over now, over and under. That's what we're gonna follow, over and under, over and under. They already look quite different. Over and under. And it's always important to check where the lace is. So I always do it with one, so I remember. Because look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, the fourth one goes through and then to the fifth one. So we've got 4. Now we put it through to the fifth one. Sorted. And then fourth through to the fifth one. And then finally towards the top. I usually don't lace them up all the way to the top. I have them like one less hole just because I prefer it. Yeah, there we go. Laced nice and easy, simple. And if I'm honest, I think I prefer the look with the white lace. What do we think, people? White lace, black lace. I think I prefer the white lace much more, you know. Looks quite good. I know a lot of people like the lace to match the tongue. I think it looks pretty good here. But yeah, just a quick lace swap. Let me know what you think. Let me know what other pairs you want me to lace swap. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Take care, my people.